Here we've got a 2022 Canyon Star front end diesel. It's a 3927 toy hauler. We'll go ahead up here. Come in through the doors pretty much in the center of the coach. Got the living area. Television right next to the table, the dinette. Come up into the cab. Remember, this is a front engine diesel. You got your leveling system over on the side, your shifter on over there, air brakes. Look back through this coach. Got storage coming around. An induction cooktop. You got a convection oven above. You got a double barn style sink set down into the solid surface countertop. You got a residential refrigerator. It goes into the bathroom. You have barn doors that separate the bedroom from the rest of the living space. Queen size bed. A lot of cabinet space. And then what you don't usually see a lot of on Class A motorhomes is you have a garage in the back, so you can bring in a golf cart, motorcycle, whatever. The ramp going down through the back. Also back here you have the bed comes down, so you have another bed in the back, or you can make it into like a dining area. All your controls for everything over here, and it looks as though that there's a fuel pump so that you can have an extra tank for loading up your toys. You got two set things in for motorcycles, television in the back, and a sound system. Go back up and out.